Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how do I contact Squarespace by phone. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. From your Android mobile, open any browser and simply type here squarespace.com/contact, and now select Help Center. So click on that. I'm going to select it here. I don't have an account. And now select a topic. And click on this Tell Us More option and select a topic. And now click on this three dot icon to the right hand corner of your browser and enable desktop site. And now again select a topic from this Tell Us More option. And here you will get two options. One is email and another is live chat option. And the live chat service available Monday, Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. EDT. So right now it's available. So I'm clicking on live chat open. And here you can see conversation has been opened here. And now enter here your name and give here your email address and give a message here and click on start chat. And here you have to wait for a while until a chat agent join to your conversation. So here you can see an agent has been joined to this conversation. So this was how we can contact with Squarespace by phone. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.